Or I'm gonna buy cake. Yeah, buy cake. Wait for me. I'm buying something. Oh, iPad is a lot better. What should I buy? Ooh, I'm buying a limited. Let me buy that. Yes, sir. Alright, Jake, I'm ready. Who bought just 600k for that? Alright. Anyone come to me? We're ready. I am ready, very ready. I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows. Jake, I'm waiting for you, bro. Alright, Jake, I'm coming. I'm gonna destroy with you. I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows. They know me where it snows. I'm just cold. Alright, I'm ready. Yet. Alright. Wait, no, I'm not ready. You can only place 15. Alright. I'm not ready yet. Alright. I just need to place one more. I'm ready. Okay, 3, 2, yes, 1, go! Yo! Oh! Yo! Oh! Yo, what the fudge? Now it's time to destroy the world. Let's do this. Wait, let me see this out first. I want to see this thing out. How good is it? Yo! That's W. That's a dub. Now let's go over here so we can see our own fireworks. I think the best way is just get rockets and then destroy them. My favorite thing is this big humongous Chinese boy. But that's already the best rocket. Nothing is better than that. The Chinese boy. Yeah. That's already the best rocket. Okay, maybe something. It's not rocket though, but it's very lot better though. It's beautiful. But it's very expensive. It's 5 million. So that's why it's better than the Chinese. Bro, look at this power. Alright, I'm ready. I already got all 15. And most of them are just explosions. Wait, let me do all of them explosions actually. Alright, I'm ready. Bro, do you see the power over here? Wait, Jake, do you see my army? Look at my army. Beside you. Look at my beautiful army. In it. The rocket army. Alright, me too. 1, go. Yo! Oh! Yo! Oh! Oh my goodness! Yo! My eyes just flashed. Kids, be ready, rockets. Let's go! rockets. Alright. I think I like to play this game at night so I can like see it for like better. I'm just gonna do only like the biggest explosions I have. Wait guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go like somewhere. Like I'm gonna go back to the store and then I'm gonna equip every single rocket I have. And then do the biggest explosion. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I don't have 50 rockets. Wait, is this kind of a rocket? Yeah, it is. Mortar is still the same as rocket. There's any more rockets? Yeah, I got that. Any more? Yo, I got the explosions radio, bro. Wait guys, this is one of my newest rockets. Who wants to see it? It's one of my newest, look. This one. It's my newest rocket. That's sick. I bought a 750k. Yeah, it looks bad at the picture though. Yeah, it looks bad. Oh. Jake, look at my army right here. Bro, I know you have more like these dudes, but it doesn't mean it's gonna be bigger. Bro, but look at my army. These rockets goes explosively. Yeah, but they're very tiny. And plus, the 4 bombs still makes the same size. Oh, come on. I didn't add enough. Okay, I'm gonna light these all up because I don't even need them anymore. Yeah, look at them. Don't mind. I'm not using them. I'm already ready. I'm launching them up. 3, 2, 1. Oh! That was just my rockets.